Hi guys, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. Now, it's been a really long time since I've recorded a video like this because I've had to take a little bit of a hiatus from YouTube last week. Without further ado, let's get into it. We are back. We are going to be doing a glute workout today. And not only has it been a long time since I've recorded one of these videos, but it's also been 2 weeks since I've worked out. So today will be the first workout that I'm doing in 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get into it. For this glute workout, we will begin on our back, feet on the floor, laying down all the way. We start with some glute bridges. Let's go. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, we lower down. We're gonna do 10. And let's go for 9. And lower down. And again, we go for 8. And lower down. And let's go for 7, squeezing the glutes at the top, lower. And we go for 6, keeping the line between our knee and our shoulders nice and straight as we lift our hips up. And we go for 5. And let's go down. And we have 4. And down. 3. And down. 2. And down, stay with me. And 1, lift the heels off the floor. You can take your arms off the floor, and we do 10 pulses. For 10, squeezing the glutes. 9, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We do that all again. Feet can be flat, or if you want to engage your hamstrings a bit more, lift your toes off the floor and wiggle your feet a little bit away from your glutes. We lift up for 10. And lower down. And again for 9. And lower down. And we have 8. And let's lower. 7. And we lower. And we have 6. And lower. 5. And lower. 4. And lower. 3. And lower. 2, and lower. Last 1, and 1. Stay with me. Lift the heels this time. We have 10 pulses. 10, 9. Squeeze the glutes at the top. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Give yourself a hug. Roll your feet. You can turn your head side to side. And let's go ahead and roll onto all fours this time. Taking our hands underneath our shoulders, knees underneath our hips, like I said, in a tabletop position, all fours. We're going to open our left leg to the side in a fire hydrant, belly button to spine, without hyperextending those arms. Let's go for 10. And in. 9. And in. 8. Only lifting as high as you can. 7, without moving your hips. 6. And we have 5. And we have 4. 3. 2, stay with me. Last 1, keep the left leg up. Place the right elbow down, lift the left leg a little bit higher, and we pulse for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we start again. Same thing, left leg again for 10. And down. 9. And down. And 8. And we have 7. And we have 6. And 5. Now notice it as I'm lifting my leg. 4, I'm not moving my back. I'm trying not to. 3. Almost there. 2. Last 1. 1, keep the left leg up. Place the right elbow down. We pulse for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stay with me. 1, place the left elbow down. Flip the hips to be parallel to the floor, keeping your left leg lifted, belly button to spine. We're going to squeeze the glutes to lift the leg as if you're stamping the ceiling with your left foot. We go for 10. 9, squeeze the glute to lift the leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay with me. 1, extend the leg, we tap the foot down and up for 5, squeezing to lift. 4, squeezing to lift. 3, and 2, and last 1. Then bend the knee again, same thing, we pulse up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend, keeping it lifted, and we lower down for 5, and lift without arching the back. 4, we only lift the leg by squeezing the glute. 3, and 2, and last 1. Beautiful. We do the same thing on the second side. Go ahead and sit back to stretch it out for a second. And we shift forward, shoulders on top of your wrists, and we do the same with the right. So let's lift it up for 10, and in, 9, and in, 8, and we have 7, keeping that left side strong, 6, and 5, we have 4, and 3, let's do 2, keeping that right leg lifted. 1, place the left elbow down, we pulse for 10, 9, lifting it higher, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay with me, place the left hand back down, and we start again, lifting for 10, and down, 9, and 8. Starting to get pretty tired on this side. 7, if you do this and again another day, try to start with the right leg first. 6, so you tire out the second side. 5, and switch it around a bit. 4, because the second side. 3, nearly feels impossible, but we know it's not. 2, and last 1. 1, place the left elbow down, we pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay with me. Flip the hips and the shoulders to be square to the floor. Keep squeezing that right glute, and we pulse up for 10, 9, belly bend to spine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend, we tap it down for 5, and lift it up to squeeze. 4, lifting it up. 3, and lift it up. Almost there. 2, and lift it up. Last 1. You guys can do it. I know you can. Bend that right knee, and we pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We extend, tap it down for 5, and lift it up. 4, lifting it up. And 3, squeezing that right glute to lift it up, open that right hip flexor. 2, and last 1. Beautiful. Go ahead, relax. You can take your right leg into a pigeon to the front, stretching out your glute. Maybe going forward. You can do the same with the left leg. Take it into a pigeon. Good, let's take it into a butterfly. Feet together, press the knees open. Awesome, go ahead, bring the knees in. Last exercise we have on our side, and then we will be done this glute workout. I know you guys are feeling it because I definitely am. Let's go get started on our side. We are definitely gonna feel it tomorrow. Go ahead, lay on your side, stack your hips, bring your knees slightly forward so you don't have them directly underneath your back because we don't want that back to arch. Nice flat back, bring the knees forward, and we do clamshells for 10. And relax. 9. And relax, belly bend to spine. 8. 7. And 6. 5. 4, 3, 2, stay with me, 1, keep the knee lifted, and we're gonna tap the knees together and tap the toes together, rotate that leg, and again, tap the knees together, tap the toes, and we go for 3, tap the toes, we go for 4, tap the toes, and 5, we're gonna do 10 in total. It's gonna be really tiring, but I know you can do it. 6, 7, keep those hips stacked on top of one another. 8, 9, almost there. And 10. Beautiful, relax the top leg, prop yourself up on your elbow, lift that waist, belly button to spine still, extend that top leg towards the other wall, away from your head, and we lift the leg. We're gonna draw little circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, keeping that leg parallel, 4, 3, so the heel's facing the floor, 2, 1, reverse the circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, bring the knee in and extend back. Squeeze the glute, open the hip flexor. Again, bring the knee in and extend it back, keeping the leg as lifted as you can, keeping it parallel. Bring the knee in and extend. 1 more, bring the knee in and extend. Beautiful. We do the same thing on the second side, starting all the way down on our side with those clamshells. Let's go for 10, 9, and 8, and we have 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, and 2. And last one, stay with me, 1, we tap the knees together for 10, and the toes. 9, try not to move that bottom leg. And 8, it's all about the top leg. 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful, stay with me, prop yourself up on your elbow, extend your top leg away from your head, lift it as high as you can, lifting the waist. We do 10 circles, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, stay with me, 3, 2, 1, reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that knee in and squeeze it to the back. Open up the hip. Make sure you have space for 2. And again, open the hip. 3. Good, and we have 1 more. 4. And relax. Go ahead and take a butterfly. Feet together, knees open, and just gently press those knees open to stretch it out. You can take one heel on top of the knee, and if you can't do that because it's too tight, you can take the foot flat, stretch against the leg. You can also take your figure 4. And let's switch sides. So figure 4 is just the foot on the thigh like that. If you want to get a bit deeper, stack the heels on the knee, knee on the heel, or if that's too much, foot is flat, twisting away. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. I know I'm going to be feeling it tomorrow. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.